Alright, so let's continue on with the columns this time. So last time I just extended the rows here by just adding, these connectors here and a bit of, what you call it, heat shrink to keep it all in place. So yeah, the columns are going to be like fairly the same thing. Except this time we're going to be using from this side, so I'm just going to chop this part off like so. And so if we take a look at the diagram here, we're going to be going through these. So we'll start off with the right one, just because I have it here already. And so yeah, here the only kind of tricky bit is you see these. So the first two are fairly straightforward. It's only when you get to the blue sorry, yeah, so when you get to the blue and purple, that's when it gets a little bit tricky. So yeah, that'll be interesting. Hang on. Yeah. So yeah, it kind of just, goes down like that. I don't know what I'm saying anyway. Let's just keep going with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be taking a look at what I have here already. So okay. Let's see what the story is. So yeah, it's only the first first four that are tricky, because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 actual columns. I'm just looking at the keyboard I had prepped already, because that's a little bit easier to follow. So yeah, I think I got it now. So yeah, it should be all right. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I got it now. So yeah, we're gonna need 6. So these last 3 are going to be removed. Or I mean, we need 7, so these last 3 need to be removed. Like so. And we're gonna secure it like around here. So you can put the or the cloth pegs here. Geez, this is the morning. I'm very tired. So yeah, so the main thing here is make sure that all these actually have enough space. So the most one will be the purple. So the purple will need to go like here. So we'll give it a bit more space. So yeah, we'll give it like about that, because it needs to go kind of like all over the place here. So that should be fine. And I will just drop it here like pretty much right in the middle, and that should be okay. So yeah, the black one is fairly straightforward. All it's doing is it's connecting these three, so the tree at the end, so that's fine. Let me grab this thing here. So get it like close to the edge. Yeah, that's good enough. All right. And yeah, I suppose I should do these as well, just so it'll be easier to deal with them later on. Christ. Alright, so I'll just pause the video while I prep all of this, because it's going to take a while. Stripped out. So yeah, now it's just kind of the same process that we were doing for the columns, where you'd want to bring this over here, the very edge, then kind of mark it. Now the problem is this is already black, so I'll have to kind of judge it. So yeah, it's around here somewhere, so yeah, this should be fine. So yeah, again, just burn off the stuff here. Okay, I see I kind of fucked up with the diodes here, but should be fine. Okay, so yeah, that should be good enough. All right, where is this thing? So yeah, then just kind of gonna jam it in here. So that wraps around this thing. Like so. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, fuck. Yes, this is very fucking fiddly. I'll just pause the video here and just do it. Okay, yeah, so that inner one is the hardest one. If you can do this one, you can do them all. So as you can see there, I just routed him down to here. All right. So yeah, this can go back here. I just pulled that out of the way. So yeah, next is the white one. Now the white one is actually going to go further than you expect. So it's going to go here, 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 and then these two as well. Yep, that's it. So yeah, that's exactly how it's going to go, which isn't too bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this one off screen as well. Okay, so got the white line done. So as you can see, it's just going straight down here. Now the next line is kind of the gray one. So that'll be going here, 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 and here. So yeah, it's a bit longer than you expect, but it is what it is. All right, so yeah, there we go. Got the gray line done. Now, next one is the purple line. Now this one's kind of interesting because, so it's gonna go down here as normal, like so. But then at the very end, it's gonna go straight up to this guy. So it's gonna go down and then just finally up to this guy here at the end. So yeah, that's the one thing you need to watch out for. So I'll just do that up. Okay, so yeah, we got the purple line done here. So just here and then jumps straight here. Now next, the green one is going to be fairly similar. It's going to go down here, 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 here. And then it's going to jump to here. And that'll be the last kind of complicated one. The rest are just going to go down, straight down, like so. If you even fucking saw that, oh Christ almighty. Yeah, so the next one is going to go here, 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 here. And then it's going to jump all the way here. And then the last two are just going to go straight down and straight down, so fairly easy. Alright, great. So got the line going across here, so down, 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 and then skips right over to the very edge here, like so. So yeah, that should be pretty good. And now the last two, I'll just do them in one go, because it's just literally going straight down, so. Alright, so yeah, I got the last two rows here soldered in, like so. So yeah, that's all looking good. Now, what we want to do is we want to extend this, you know, to terminate at the, what you call it, the yokes, what they're called. So yeah, whatever you call these yokes. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this piece off like right around here, so that there's plenty of room, you know, to work with. Right, that should be good. And then I'm gonna drag off the same kind of color space so that I don't get confused later on. So yeah, that'll be up to yellow, like so. And since we're going to be using, or we're going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side of the, on the other half of the keyboard, we can just, you know, chop these off like roughly around this much. Like it doesn't really matter since they'll be kind of bending in and stuff. I'm just gonna prepare the other half as well, because why not? Make them roughly the same length, like so. And so yeah, now you just want to kind of split these up and do the exact same thing as here, so you know we can easily plug it into the controller. So yeah, I'll do that right now, and then the next video will be basically plugging in the wires and flashing a test version of QMK and just testing if every single button here works. And if it does, that's great. We can test the LEDs as well. So yeah, that'll be epic.